Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove account warning from TikTok, or how to get rid of this problem. If you have account warning on your account, then I'll show you how can you fix this issue within 2 or 3 days. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, guys, if you are facing this problem here, then what you need to do is just simply take screenshot from here. After taking screenshot, what you need to do is just simply tap on your profile and then tap on three line. I don't have this on my account, but I'll show you how can you fix this, because I have already fixed this. Just simply tap on setting and privacy and then scroll it down, and here you can see report a problem. Just simply tap on this. Let me tell you that if you have violated any terms and condition, then you can remove this from your account. Just simply tap on account and profile, and from here you have to tap on editing profile, and you have to tap on other here and tap on need more help, no need more help, and here you have to select your screenshot which you have taken recently. Just simply tap on here and it will be redirected to your gallery. Then you can select from there, and here you have to write this one, so I have given in the description as well. So let me read here. Hello dear TikTok team, it's showing account warning on my profile. I know this is due to violation of rules and regulation of TikTok, but I don't know the rules and regulation of TikTok. That's why I have made this mistake. Now I am sorry for this. So please disable the account warning option. I promise you to I will not make mistake again. Thanks. Just simply tap on report and your report will be sent to TikTok team, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.